Guys, I've got the absolute ultimate EGR hack for you. This is no scam. This is real deal. You've seen probably about 4 of my EGR videos before. I've been on a massive journey with the whole thing, and by absolute luck, I have figured out a way of basically not having any more EGR issues at all. There you go, guys. That bad boy there just connects to the top. See that? So that's usually like that. I think you've got to just pop a screwdriver in there, unclick it, off you go. No more EGR issues. So basically, guys, this ultimate hack is all you need to do at the top of the EGR. I'm talking VW transporters, 2-litre TDI. Mine's a 2012. I think this is going to work for a lot of models. But all you got to do is unconnect that connector, the electric plug that connects in with all the sensors and talks to the EGR. Just unplug it. You're going to get an engine management light come on. But since I've done it, the van is driven the best it's ever driven. It's a bit more pokier. There's about 5% gain in your MPG. What else? So when the DPF regenerates, it does it automatically. I don't have to push it through with my Carister app. In fact, that was the biggest. I thought I was going to be having a problem with that. So as soon as I started smelling diesel, I knew that my DPF was clogged up. So then I turned on my Carister app to look at the live data, and sure enough, the DPF, it had about 22 grams of soot in it, and all of a sudden it started trickling down to about 8 or 9 grams, and then boom, you're done. You know, the regeneration's been completed. This is with an engine management light on, and also the EGR unplugged. Just literally don't have to do anything mechanical other than take this little plug out. This is obviously a super tip. Obviously, mechanics engineers probably won't want you knowing this, but for your MOT, you've got to plug that back in so your engine management light goes off, it clears it again. But yeah, I totally recommend this. I've been driving around 2 months, long journeys, short journeys. The van has literally got a new lease of life. I'm absolutely astonished because obviously you've seen my previous videos. I've done about 3 videos on EGRs, how to clean, how to take them off, how to clean them, how to fit a new one, how to install a brand new EGR exhaust pipe thing that keeps cracking on these models because they're so badly designed. But anyway, hopefully that's going to be a crucial tip. This will save you. If your EGR valve goes like this and you break down, this will save you getting towed. You just unplug it and off you go. Your engine will be absolutely fine. So yeah, hope this has helped you guys. I'm just going to show you under the engine bay. Let's just point to the part that needs unplugging, because this is absolutely, I don't think I've seen this video at all on the whole of the internet, but I'm astonished it works. I'm astonished the MPG is higher. I'm astonished the van's pokier, and I'm just absolutely blown away by the fact that it regenerates itself now without me having to push it through on the Carister OBD kind of app thing. Good for another 100,000 miles.